Today we have a video from Darkest Deeds Exposed, and the title of the video is entitled Karen Refused to Pay Her Restaurant Bill and Demanded the Manager Pay.
On September 1st, 2025, officers were dispatched to a restaurant after a woman refused to pay her bill.
This tab.
What's going on?
Nothing.
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 I hear you're not paying your bill.
Excuse
I hear
me?
you're not paying your bill.
Oh. Are you kidding?
No, we run a business. We expect to be compensated for it.
So, what tab do I have to pay?
This tab.
What tab? Perfect. Pay the tab. Pay the tab. Pay the tab. Pay the tab. Pay the tab.
You have to give him money.
Perfect. Go ahead. I would rather you run my tab, and I will literally pay you later.
You have to pay him. You give him your card.
Trust me? No, I don't.
Okay, if you
Trust
don't.
me? No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
Trust me? No, I don't.
Do you want to go to jail or what?
For what?
Theft, disorderly public intox. How about that?
Are you kidding?
Are you here with anybody?
Fucking kidding.
No, I'm not. Are
Are
you
you
with anybody?
fucking kidding?
No, I'm not. Are you with anybody here?
Are you kidding?
I already told you I'm not.
Are you joking? Ew. You're. Ew.
If she doesn't pay, do you want theft charges?
Yes.
Pay your tab.
Perfect. Literally charge me and I will pay my tab. Charge me and I will pay my tab.
Okay.
What does she mean, charge me and I'll pay my tab? What do you mean, charge me? You're already charged. Your receipt is right there. What is she talking about, man? What do these people be thinking? Going out, get a couple of drinks, have a good time. You know what I'm saying? But you don't want to pay your bill? Stay at home. Stay at home, man. Come on, this bar look empty. It's dead. They finally get a customer, and then the customer that they do get doesn't want to pay. That shit crazy, man.
I'm not doing this all night.
Me,
Are you gonna give me your card or no?
charge me and I will pay my tab. Dude, what are you doing? Charge me and I will pay my tab. What are you doing? What are you
What are you
doing?
doing? Give me the card and
What
I'll
are
run
you
it.
doing?
Give me your. You gotta.
What
You
the
got.
fuck? I'm literally saying
I'm done.
no.
I'm done.
No, this is so dumb.
Get up. Get. Get up.
This is literally
If you
so
resist, you're gonna go on the ground. Get up. Hands behind your back.
I'm literally done. Oh my god. Is it like some kind of sound of it? Are you okay?
Turn around. I told you to put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
423. We got one with
No, no, I literally, stop! 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 Literally, get off of me. I'm telling you right now, get off of me. I'm telling you right now, get off of me. I'm telling you, get off of me. I'm telling you.
What's that, Buffalo Wild Wings?
Out the door.
No! Get off of me! I'm telling you.
you searched her or anything yet. You got anything on you that's gonna hurt us?
You got a resisting charge too.
Roll on your side. She's good.
You release it.
Get out. Sit in the car.
Man, she doing that dumb shit. That shit would piss me off, man. Stop acting like a child, man. Doing all that dumb shit, man. Boy, oh boy.
I'm telling you right now. Please, just listen. No, listen.
This rock bottom right here. You probably got some other things going on, some demons going on. You know, you got things going on in your personal life. Try to go out for a couple of drinks, can't control your alcohol. Now you don't want to pay the bill. And now all of your actions have led you up to this moment right here. And she's drunk, she's emotional. So this is rock bottom right here, man. Damn. Theft of services, man. Can't pay for your drinks, man.
Is there any reason she wouldn't want to pay? Like,
Yeah, she was just intoxicated.
yeah.
I mean, you can see on the tab, it didn't take much.
It's like $37. Just pay it.
We tried to do the same thing.
Yeah.
We're going for it.
Guy will be in here in a second.
She was charged with petty theft and resisting arrest. Don't forget to subscribe.
Damn, I want to see what time. Did they have the time stamp on here? It's almost midnight. Okay. It's almost midnight. Cause I'm wondering, I'm like, damn, this shit dead as hell in here, man. Like, yo, where's she the only customer I seen? I'm like, damn, this shit is dead. What's going on? But yeah, man. Can't control your liquor. Thought you was gonna get free drinks. You hit rock bottom, man. Gotta get your shit together. If you don't get your shit together, they're gonna get you together. All right. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.